Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a 10,000 mAh power bank from Telesin. You can see it here in the box. This one is more or less specifically for charging batteries for the GoPro Hero cameras. As you can see, it says on the box that it is compatible with Hero 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. Also, it is compatible with the newly released Hero 12, as it is the same size and form factor as the Hero 11 and the Hero 10, the 9. Okay, without further ado, let's proceed to the unboxing. Now, I'm sure many of you have already seen this product, but I only got it a few days ago, so just thought I'd make a video about it. Alright, now in the box you get the power bank itself. You get a USB-C to USB-C power cable to charge up the power bank. Also, you can use this one to charge another device while you're charging the GoPro batteries in your power bank. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, and you also get two adapters for the older GoPro Hero batteries, the ones ranging from Hero 8 down to the Hero 5, as they are the smaller size batteries, and this one will make it about the size of the Hero 9, 10, 11, and the 12 in order to charge those batteries up. Unfortunately, I don't have a Hero 5, 6, 7, or an 8 battery to show you how these adapters work, but pretty self-explanatory so far. So, okay, now this is everything that you get in the box. Alright, let's set this one aside. Alright, so here I have two Hero 11 batteries. These are the Enduro batteries, as you can see. Alright, now this is the power bank. It is quite small, but it has 10,000 mAh capacity. Here you have the power button to check how much battery percentage you have left. Here you can see there is a tab which shows you where to put your finger to open the cover for the batteries. Alright, yeah, there's a little glue residue left. Alright, got that off. Now, in order to charge the Hero batteries, you just have to insert them right here, as opposed to this official charger from GoPro. As you can see, the batteries are not very secure here, so if you plan on carrying them around, they can fall just pretty easily, as you can see. Alright, in here you can put them inside just like this. As you can see, now it's already charging. You can put in the other one. This one's charging also, and you can close this up. And now you can have both your batteries charging. As you can see, there is a pass-through for the LED indicators in order to show how much charging time is left. Down here you have a flap covering the USB-C and the USB-A ports of the battery. Now, an interesting thing, the USB-C you can you can also use it for charging up the battery and also charging up another device while you're charging the GoPro batteries. So it is a nice addition. You can have two ports for charging other additional devices. Oops, yeah, this one comes off pretty easily. I will put that back later on. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can read this, if the camera will focus, but you can, I'll hold it like this and you can pause the video to see. It does says that the battery capacity is 10,000 milliamp hours, but as you can see below that we have a rated capacity which is 6100 milliamp hours. I'm not sure exactly what that is for. Perhaps that is the actual capacity of the battery, not really sure. Okay, now once your batteries have been charged up completely, you can open up this port, this flap, take the batteries out, and you can also stick another two back in. Now, according to Telesin, they claim that you can charge up to 4 GoPro batteries with this power bank while it was fully charged. We'll just have to put this to the test to see if that's true. But it is nice that they also include 2 additional ports for charging additional devices while you're charging up your GoPro batteries. I must say I was quite surprised that this is actually really small in size. I was expecting it to be quite large and bulky, but this one is a pretty good size. You can toss it around in your backpack, won't take up much space. And it is perfect because it will keep your GoPro batteries nice and secure right in here. Okay. And now, well, that's it for this video. Sorry, I'm just making this one in a hurry, and it is kind of improvised, so not very professionally done. Okay, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye.